Good morning everyone. Today's title is United We Stand. This is Mahatma Gandhi ji. This is Jawaharlal Nehru. This is Rani Lakshmibai. Ahimsa, non-violence and unity will lead us to freedom. We must work together to build a strong and independent India. I fought for our country's freedom and I'll continue to inspire others to do the same. What does independence mean to you? It means freedom to make our own choices and to govern ourselves with wisdom and justice. We must remember our struggle and fight for a better India. I promise to carry forward your legacy and make India proud. Jai Hind, victory to India. Thank you.